black holes. An enigma that has puzzled scientists and captivated our imagination for decades. But what's hiding inside of a black hole? Is it a void? A bottomless pit? A parallel universe? We don't know for sure yet, but scientists might have some ideas, so let's hear them out. Picture this. In the vastness of space, there's a supermassive star, shining bright like a diamond. But like all good things, this star's bottomless party can't last forever. Eventually it runs out of fuel and goes out with a bang. Quite literally, the star collapses under its own gravity, creating an implosion. Now, this collapse is so intense that it creates a bottomless pit in space like a sinkhole. This is what we call a black hole, the ultimate no-escape zone, sucking up everything in its vicinity, including light. Imagine yourself the black hole itself doesn't emit any light, but you can notice a dazzling display of cosmic fireworks surrounding it. The accretion disk. It's like a celestial carousel of gas and dust swirling in a mesmerizing dance around the black hole. The incredible gravitational forces pull all this material from their surroundings, creating this celestial furnace. Of course, it's very unlikely that you would have survived in this place. Temperatures here soar to millions of degrees. Also, it's constantly dazzling X-rays and high-energy radiation that can be detected from telescopes on Earth. But let's imagine that you did survive somehow. As you get closer, you notice a mysterious boundary looming ahead, the event horizon. It's a point of no return, beyond which the laws of physics, and now you're stuck in a space traffic jam. And no matter how hard you hit the gas, you're going nowhere. Once you cross this threshold, not even light can escape. And now you inevitably fall into a black hole. What do you see around you? According to the genius physicist Albert Einstein, space and time aren't separate entities, but rather intertwined in a fabric called space-time. It's like a cosmic trampoline that can stretch and bend if you place something heavy on it. And black holes are super heavy, which is why they distort this trampoline in the most extreme way possible. So when you venture close to a black hole, you're in for a roller coaster ride. The curvature of space-time becomes so intense that it's like a whirlpool pulling everything in, even light itself. Everything around you looks like a space funhouse with distorted gravity, colors and rays of light that keep shifting. All this makes you feel like you're doing the moonwalk on a treadmill. Also, the curvature of space-time around a black hole is so extreme that it creates a phenomenon called time dilation. Time near a black hole moves at a different pace than in the rest of the universe. The closer you are to the black hole, the slower time ticks like a slow-motion event. The deeper you fall, the weirder things get. The laws of physics seem to break down before your very eyes. But suppose you somehow manage to survive all this madness. Where exactly are you falling? What awaits you on the other side? Is there even another side? As you venture deeper into the celestial maelstrom, you reach an elusive and mysterious point called the singularity. It's the heart of a black hole, a place where all matter and energy are crushed into a single. Imagine cramming masses of entire stars to something that is essentially a pinprick. Now that you're here, forget about the usual rules of physics. Welcome to a new realm where the known breaks down and the unknown takes over. So what does this unknown look like? Well, there are a couple of theories. First off, it's not real. It could be a gateway to other dimensions. What if there are multiple universes hiding within black holes, like nesting dolls? According to this theory, the interior of a black hole could be a portal to a parallel universe with its own set of physical laws and possibilities. This parallel universe could be drastically different from our own world. What a mind-bending idea. Or what about wormholes? Imagine black holes forming a space subway system, connecting different regions of space and time with each other. These theories suggest that the extreme gravitational pull of a black hole could create a wormhole, a tunnel that could transport you to another galaxy, or even to the past or future. It's like finding a secret passage in a video game. That's not all. Some scientists propose that inside a black hole we might find some exotic matter. Some strange matter with weird properties or negative energy density. If that's the case, this would defy our understanding of the universe. And finally, one of the most mind-bending theories is that a black hole could actually lead to a white hole. Imagine as you fall further, you suddenly find yourself in a blindingly bright space show. You're in a white hole. This is a fountain that's spewing out matter, energy, and information into the universe with reckless abandon. The birthplace of new universes. You see, while black holes are known for their event horizon, white holes have an anti-event horizon. With black holes, everything can enter and nothing can come out. With white holes, it's the other way around. They repel everything. White holes are hypothetical objects. Their existence hasn't yet been proven. But if it turns out that they exist, they could be connected to black holes. It makes sense. Black holes suck everything in. And white holes should take their matter from somewhere. And all this matter and energy coming out of the white hole could potentially form new universes. Together with black holes, they could form the universe. From a universal cycle of creation, the end of one universe leads to the birth of another. All these theories are beautiful and fascinating, but here's the catch. There's still no concrete evidence of any of them. Black holes still remain one of the biggest mysteries of our world. Unfortunately, studying these mysterious beasts isn't easy. They're super elusive, and this is one of the biggest challenges for scientists. Black holes don't emit light, so they can't be seen directly. They're essentially invisible to telescopes that rely on light, making them incredibly difficult to observe. That's why scientists have to rely on things like X-ray emissions, the effects of a black hole's gravity on nearby objects, and other clues. They're also very unpredictable. For black holes, physics is like a fun playground. They warp space and time around them, which makes it difficult to predict and understand their behavior. But don't worry, space enthusiasts. The future of research in this field is as promising as ever. We've already made incredible discoveries. For example, in 2019, we captured the first ever direct image of a black hole. This is a central black hole of the galaxy Messier 87. A few years later, we also took a photo of a black hole in the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. This one is called Sagittarius A star.
All this has opened up
new avenues for. These aren't the only cool things we've discovered in recent years. Let's take gravitational waves, for example. You know how rocks leave ripples after falling into water? Well, gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of space-time. They carry clues about the most cataclysmic events in the universe. They've allowed us to listen to the universe, unveiling previously hidden phenomena and events. All these observations provide us with a new way to study black holes, where we constantly make new advancements in technology. The James Webb Space Telescope will provide us with even more detailed observations and insights into the mysteries of black holes. There's still so much we don't know, but that's the beauty of science, the thrill of the unknown and the curiosity that drives us to explore the mysteries of the universe. So let's keep peering into the cosmic abyss on the thrilling quest to unlock the secrets of our world. Please like and share so everyone knows. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more, stay with Hidden to continue.